Hey folks, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to install Canon MF3010 printer driver in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. Firstly, we need to bring up our Google Chrome browser. So by that, please proceed at the button search bar and type for Chrome. Once you've typed it, wait until a best match should appear in this window, and once it's here, please click on Open to continue. Now, the moment you are being navigated to the Google Chrome browser, please proceed at the description box below. I'll be including a link there. Please copy it and paste it here at the Windows search bar at the top. Control V to paste. Once you have pasted this link, please click on enter so that you would be redirected to the result. So you would be able to see a window like Canon, okay, which is Canon, and you would be able to see the printer driver, which is MF3010. So, okay, the next thing that you need to do is you need to scroll down, and website would automatically detect your operating system, which is Windows 11 detected. The next thing that you need to do is you need to proceed on this link, which is the updated version. Okay, so click on this link. Okay, and the moment you do it, okay, you need to ensure that the printer driver that you have selected is the correct one. So you can click on this backward arrow and select unsearched. Okay, and it will show you the printer driver that you have. So please select on the second one, which contains the MF3010, and click on this link. And the moment you do that, you need to ensure that this MF3010 is a selected printer driver before proceeding on the downloading. So click on download once you have ensured that it is the MF3010. So it will automatically start the moment you've clicked on it. And you just have to proceed to the upper right side of the screen. You can see there a download icon to check the download progress. So just have to be patiently wait until this downloading process would be done. Okay? Once it's done, please click this folder icon so that you would be redirected to the location where that specific application is being saved to. So the next thing that you need to do is you need to click on the cut icon to copy it, close the window as well as this browser, and navigate to the desktop. Please do a right click and go with this paste icon. So once you have pasted it, the next thing that you need to do is you need to extract this one, which is RMF3010. Please do a right click and proceed with this, which just have to wait until this loading process and proceed with extract to MF3010 MF driver. So click on it, and the moment you've clicked on it, wait until an extracted file would appear here at our desktop. And once it's here, you can now proceed to the button search bar. So here at the button search bar, please type for settings. Once you've typed it, wait until a BESMA should appear here in our screen, which is the settings. And once it's here, please click on open to continue. By the way, you can also press Windows and I key together, and in that way, you would be able to bring up the settings. Here at the settings, please proceed at the left pane or at the left side of that where you can see a list of the options. Please look for Bluetooth and devices. Click on it. And here under the Bluetooth and devices, you need to scroll down and navigate to devices. Click on it once again. And under the devices, you need to scroll down once again and proceed to related settings. So under the related settings, you can see there are more devices and printer settings. Click on it. And the moment you do that, just have to wait until this window would appear, which is the devices and printers. And since we'd like to add our MF3010, which is our printer driver, you need to proceed with this upper left side of that where you can see add a printer. Click on it. And the moment you've clicked on it, just have to proceed with the printer that I want isn't listed. Click on it and this add printer window would show up. Here you need to locate for add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Once you have ensured that this is being marked, meaning that you have selected it, please proceed on clicking on next. And here this window would ask you to choose an existing port. Click this down arrow and either proceed with this USB 001, USB 002, USB 003. So either choose either of the three USB port. Okay, it could be 001, 003, or 003. So in my case, I'll be choosing USB 001. Once you have set it, please click on next. Okay, and this window would show up. Please proceed with have disk. Okay, and please click on browse. So since we have placed our printer driver in our desktop, then by that you need to navigate to desktop, click on it, and please scroll down, okay, and select for MF3010. So double tap to it, and from here, please navigate to drivers, double tap once again, double tap from here, choose your operating system, and in my case, it is x64, double tap once again, proceed with the driver, double tapped, and from here, you would be able to see this one, click on this CNL B0KA64. Once you have set it, click on open, click on OK, and it will show you the MF3010. Please click on next. Okay, you can rename that you'd like to. In my case, I'll be leaving it Canon MF3010. Once you're done, click on next, and you just have to wait until the installation process would be finished. Now, if your user account control would ask you to say yes, proceed with yes so that you can continue on the installation of this printer driver, okay? Now, once you're done, you can also click on next to proceed. Okay. And from here, click on finished and wait until it will be here. Okay. So Canon MF3010, meaning that we have successfully installed it here at our Windows 11 PC or laptop. So from that, you can now close the window as well as this and you're good to go. Now, if you think this video helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day, everyone.